Hey, it's Joe Glines, the automator, and I was working on a script using Claude, and I had an idea. I was talking to Ryan Wells about it the other day of what we should do is keep track of all of our clients and basically let AI see an example of their writings, store that, and store their style, kind of their format, and the preferred thing, the way they like to talk, and then adjust our messages to them in their tone, right? So it's closer to home to what they're used to. So anyway, so I thought, hey, you know what? I'm going to ask Claude to just do this for me. So what was really interesting was I initially asked it, and it wrote, first off, it wrote me some code in Python, and it said it's going to, and it actually kind of came up with the previous emails, text, whatever. But here it came up with the sentence length, common phrases, formality. Wrote me some Python code, and I said, hey, can you convert that to V2? Because instead of Python. So I said, sure, right? And he gave me this code. Well, this code had an error. Let me get down into here. And it was doing some stuff, had an error. I said, I get this warning. I shoved it all in here. And this is what I found was fascinating. I want to show you guys was, oh, I apologize. We didn't include the JSON library to fix the code. What did it do? It found Geek Dude's library and tried to download it, which I just thought that was really cool. Now, it had the include up here, so this actually breaks because you can't run it because it's trying to include something that, and there's no real way around it. I think with AUTOHOTKEY, you'd have to have a separate script or something to do that. But it actually tried to get the library, not rewrite it and not just push it here, but to have it auto download it for you and include it, which I just thought was really mind-blowing of we're getting there. I know Descolada is working on a class to be able to kind of get libraries like this, like a pip for Python, a way to get modules and download things. But the fact that Claude was adding code to go get the libraries and include them, that to me was really, really cool. So hope you enjoyed that. We're doing a lot more stuff with AI in our hero group. So if you're interested in learning more about using AI with coding or just in general, because there's so many ways you can use it, please consider joining that because it's just a great program. Have a great day. Cheers.